What is a zoning variance? A zoning variance is when you ask the local zoning hearing board that governs your township or city or municipality for permission to break one of the zoning rules on your land. Zoning rules are applied throughout a township, a municipality. They govern where you can build and what you can build and what kinds of things you can do with your property. The idea is if you're in a residential neighborhood, you don't want your neighbor tearing down his house and building a gas station there or putting in a vape shop. In that situation, you might go to the zoning board and say, hey, this person's violated the rules and I want them stopped or punished or something else. So the zoning board and the supervisors of your township have a lot of power to govern what you can do with your land. Sometimes you say, hey, the rules of the published zoning rules say that I can't do something here, but if I did, it wouldn't hurt anybody. There's nobody that would object. There wouldn't be a problem. In that case, you can go to the zoning hearing board and ask for a variance. A variance typically has to meet several factors. It has to show that what you're doing wouldn't change the character and nature of the neighborhood in which you live. You have to show that it wouldn't be a burden to anybody else. You have to show that your land would be virtually unusable in its current state. So frequently we encounter these in situations where you have to build a shed for some reason and it's going to require you to go into the setback of the land, or you want to build an extra building and your township says, hey, only one building per piece of land, but you've got a bunch of empty land behind you to build on. So we try to build your argument as we go to the zoning hearing board to show why granting what you're asking wouldn't hurt anyone. If you're looking for a variance and you're trying to figure out how that process works, give us a call at Cornerstone Law Firm. We can talk through your options about getting a variance and also give you some information on other options for pursuing zoning relief.